Okay, so we have a problem in hand wherein, let's see the question first. If two lines L1 and L2, so you have a line L1 and you have a line L2, intersect at P. So the point of intersection, which is this point, is the point P. And angle M is 55 degree. M is 55 degree. Find angle O, N and Q. So you have to find the value of this angle, this angle, this angle and this angle. Okay. Now, given that these are two lines and this is a complete angle or a complete circle, the first thing that you need to know is that angle M plus Q plus N plus O is equal to 360 degree. Okay? Right? This is the first theorem. Now we know that angle M is equal to angle N is equal to 55 degree. Now if you notice, on a standalone basis you have these two lines where you have this angle M and you have this angle N. Now please note that whenever two lines intersect each other, the angles so formed, which are vertically opposite to each other, are known as vertically opposite angles. And vertically opposite angles are always equal. Okay? So we can say that if M is equal to 55 degree, then angle N is also equal to 55 degree. Why? Being vertically opposite angles. Okay? Now, if you notice, there are two ways of looking at it. One was that, similarly, just like this, you also have that angle O is equal to angle Q, right? Now, if you substitute the value of M and N, which is 55 degree, you will come to know that, let's say you substitute the value of M. M is equal to how much? 55 degree plus Q. What is the value of Q? I don't know. Plus N. N is again 55 degree plus O. But O we know is equal to Q. So can we replace this O by Q? Q is equal to 360 degree. Okay. Q plus Q will give you 2Q is equal to 360 degree minus. Both these are 55 plus 55 will give you 110. So when you take it to the other side, this will make us minus 110 or 250 degree, which gives Q is equal to 125 degree. 2Q is equal to 250 degrees, so Q is equal to 250 divided by 2, which is 125 degree. So you get Q is equal to 125 degree, and angle O is equal to angle Q will also be equal to 125 degree. Right? So that way you've kind of computed all these angles. The second way could have been that we know that since L1 is a straight line, angle N plus angle Q is equal to 180 degree, or angle Q is equal to 180 degree minus angle N, which will give you 180 minus N we already knew is 55, is equal to 125 degree. And since O is equal to angle Q, because these two are vertically opposite angles, you write that angle O is equal to 125 degree as well. Okay,